Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making some chocolate chip cookies. Travis is playing FIFA behind the background, so that's the background noise you're hearing. So I'm just gonna put you down here while I get ready. I have my iPad out. It is an all recipe that we've kind of used a couple times. One of the chewiest cookies that we've had, and it's definitely our favorite recipe. All right, so first we need 2 cups of flour, of all-purpose flour. So I just use this guy, a little measuring cup of this. Then we need half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt. All right, and then we need 3/4 cup of unsalted butter melted. So I'm gonna just wash this guy and then put some butter in.
Did you put salt in it?
Yeah. Why?
You're not supposed to, because we use salt and butter.
It might be a little bit salty then. All right, so just realize that we actually use and only have salted butter, and I put salt in the mix already, so we'll have to see how this goes. Hopefully it doesn't affect it so much that it tastes awful. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw this in the microwave and see if it's enough. All right, so that definitely wasn't enough butter. It's like not even half a cup. Sure, we're gonna have to put more. Might end up using this whole butter block actually. All right, so it's got a little another bowl, and I'm gonna pour the butter in. We also have 1 cup of brown sugar. Should I just pour it in? What does cream mean? Do I just... How do I cream it properly?
What?
How do I cream it properly? Like,
What do you mean?
it says to cream together, or do I just mix it?
Mix it.
You have a little white sugar that someone didn't give me when he was doing sugar. And then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. All right, then we have 1 full egg and then an extra egg yolk that Travis so kindly separated for me. All right, so I think it's all smooth and ready to go. I am going to be putting it into the sifted, just because I think this bowl is bigger. It'll be better. For the wet ingredients, it's like so, because you're supposed to pour it into the wet ingredients, and now
Why would you pour all this in here?
because I was going to, and then the instructions said otherwise. Now that the dough is all ready, I'm gonna ball it up and then put it on a cookie sheet. What are you doing? Travis is eating raw cookie dough. I don't like it, but I'm sure you guys do. A lot of people like cookie dough, but I think it's such a weird consistency. Do you think this is big enough? Like kind of like a ball like that?
Yep.
So they're gonna be about this big. It says about 3 inches apart. I don't really have that much room. So I'm gonna put this a little bit closer. What do you mean?
Little congeal together. Maybe a little more mix.
You get another cookie sheet maybe eventually.
No. Multiple batches.
Hmm?
Do multiple batches. You have to cook them all at the same time.
So looks like we are gonna be fitting 7 in the oven first. They bake for about 15 to 17 minutes, and hopefully I have enough cookie dough left because Travis keeps eating it. All right, so the timer has gone off. I'm gonna take it out and see how they're doing. It's 15 minutes, so they're looking pretty pale. You can kind of see that they're looking pretty pale. I'm gonna put them in for maybe a couple more minutes. I don't know. They still look really pale, Travis. Is it just like...
Are you on the right temperature?
says 325. So I think that they are just gonna be that light now because the underneath is pretty golden. So we're gonna put on the next batch and these are gonna hang out here. See, look, the underneath is pretty golden, so we should be okay. Because I'm filming like 2 videos today, I know the outfit is gonna be different, but the cookies are done. They are smelling so delicious and they look pretty cute, I'd say. I should probably find like a holiday theme one or maybe get like red and green choco chips, but this is looking pretty great. So it's nice and moist inside, as you can see. It rise pretty nicely. Didn't expand too much, it's not like super dry. Thank you so much for watching. That was my cookie making Vlogmas video. I know it wasn't super professional. I definitely am not the baker slash cooker in the house. But I'm gonna try to do more, especially when we move to the new house. So if you liked it, leave me a like and a subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you soon.